Step into a future that's closer than you think. The year 2030 may sound far away, but the technologies shaping it are already unfolding before our eyes. These aren't science fiction concepts, they're real innovations transforming our future. Let's dive into the top 10 booming tech trends that will make everyday life feel like stepping into 2030. Number 10. Low and no-code software development. Software development is experiencing a paradigm shift with the rise of low and no-code platforms. These tools enable users to create applications with minimal coding knowledge, democratizing software creation across industries and skill levels. Infrastructure as code, automated integration pipelines, and AI-assisted development tools accelerate this trend further. Low and no-code platforms allow businesses to prototype, deploy, and iterate on applications rapidly, reducing time to market and development costs. They empower non-technical employees to solve operational challenges independently, while freeing professional developers to focus on complex, high-value work. Automation in software development also facilitates scalable workflows, continuous integration, and system-wide optimization. By 2030, these platforms will enable organizations to maintain agility, adapt quickly to changing markets, and foster innovation at all levels, effectively transforming the role of software in enterprise and personal productivity. Number 9. Digital trust technologies and cybersecurity. As digital transformation accelerates, trust and security in digital environments become critical. Zero-trust architectures, advanced digital identity systems, and privacy-focused engineering practices are expected to dominate the technology landscape. Organizations will increasingly treat cybersecurity as a strategic priority rather than a compliance requirement. Zero-trust architectures operate under the principle that no user or device is inherently trustworthy, requiring continuous verification and monitoring. Digital identity systems will provide secure authentication, helping individuals and businesses maintain control over personal and organizational data. Privacy engineering ensures that data protection is integrated into systems from the design stage, rather than as an afterthought. With cyber threats evolving in sophistication, organizations will adopt AI-assisted monitoring, anomaly detection, and automated response systems. By 2030, cybersecurity will be inseparable from digital infrastructure, underpinning the safety, reliability, and trustworthiness of interconnected systems worldwide. Number 8. Clean energy expansion. Clean energy technologies are gaining momentum, with innovations such as green hydrogen, fusion power, and solid-state batteries driving the transition towards sustainable energy systems. Green hydrogen, produced from renewable sources, offers a zero-emission fuel alternative for transportation, industrial processes, and power generation. Market forecasts project growth from its current modest scale to nearly $200 billion by 2034, driven by adoption in energy-intensive industries. Fusion power promises abundant, carbon-free baseload energy. Though historically experimental, progress in containment and reactor design is bringing fusion closer to commercial viability, with the potential to provide consistent energy output without emissions. Solid-state batteries are poised to revolutionize energy storage, with higher energy density, improved safety, and longer lifespans. This technology will enable more efficient electric vehicles, grid storage solutions, and portable electronics. Number 07. Cloud and Edge Computing. Cloud and edge computing are converging to create a more efficient and responsive data ecosystem. Edge computing enables data to be processed close to its source, reducing latency, enhancing data privacy, and minimizing bandwidth costs. This is particularly important for applications that demand real-time decision-making, such as autonomous vehicles, smart grids, and industrial automation. Hyperscale data centers will continue to expand, offering global cloud services that support remote collaboration, storage, and computation. Integration between cloud and edge computing will allow organizations to maintain data sovereignty while benefiting from centralized resources for heavy computational tasks. In addition to performance improvements, this combination supports better privacy and regulatory compliance, ensuring sensitive data is processed locally when necessary, while enabling analytics at scale in the cloud. By 2030, cloud-edge synergy will become a cornerstone for digital infrastructure across multiple industries. Number 06. Quantum computing. Quantum computing is revolutionizing computational problem-solving. Unlike classical computers that operate with bits in states of 0 or 1, quantum computers use qubits capable of existing in multiple states simultaneously, enabling massive parallel computation. Quantum computing will have far-reaching implications for sectors such as aerospace, pharmaceuticals, finance, and materials science. Complex simulations that would take classical supercomputers centuries could be performed in minutes, accelerating drug discovery, optimizing supply chains, and enhancing climate modeling. Moreover, quantum computing will enable breakthroughs in cryptography, potentially rendering current security systems obsolete, while creating new approaches to digital trust and privacy. By 2030, early commercial adoption of quantum technology may redefine competitive advantage in industries that rely heavily on computational modeling and optimization. Number 05. Climate change mitigation technology. Global awareness of climate change has accelerated the development of technologies aimed at mitigating its impacts. Organizations are increasingly adopting renewable energy solutions, carbon capture techniques, sustainable fuel alternatives, and climate-resilient infrastructure. Innovations in renewable energy, such as wind, solar, and hydroelectric power, are complemented by emerging technologies like green hydrogen and fusion energy. Drought-resistant crops, efficient irrigation systems, and early warning systems for extreme weather are becoming vital tools for agricultural sustainability. Additionally, infrastructure adaptations such as seawalls and flood defenses are being integrated into urban planning. The scale and urgency of climate mitigation technology deployment by 2030 reflect a strategic pivot towards sustainability across industries. These technologies not only reduce environmental risk, but also create new economic opportunities in manufacturing, research, and renewable energy markets. Number 4. Biotechnology sector. The biotechnology sector is poised for a major expansion, fueled by breakthroughs in molecular biology, gene therapy, and precision medicine. Innovations in biotechnology are addressing challenges in healthcare, agriculture, energy, and consumer products, with a strong focus on sustainability and efficiency. Healthcare applications will include gene editing therapies to treat hereditary diseases, customized cancer treatments, and regenerative medicine that replaces or repairs damaged tissues and organs. In agriculture, genetically optimized crops will be designed for drought resistance, improved yield, and nutritional enhancements, contributing to food security amid climate challenges. Biotechnology will also influence industrial applications, including biomanufacturing of chemicals, biofuels, and sustainable materials. These developments promise reduced environmental impact while increasing production efficiency. Biotechnology's growth trajectory signals an era where biology and technology converge, offering solutions to some of humanity's most pressing health and environmental challenges. Number 03. ACES vehicles. The automotive industry is evolving toward ACES vehicles: autonomous, connected, electric, and shared. Each aspect of ACES contributes to a safer, more efficient, and sustainable transport ecosystem. Autonomous vehicles leverage sensor technologies, computer vision, and precise navigation algorithms to reduce accidents, optimize traffic flow, and enhance accessibility for individuals unable to drive. Connectivity allows vehicles to communicate with each other and surrounding infrastructure, preventing collisions and enabling coordinated traffic management. Electric propulsion systems are reducing greenhouse gas emissions and dependency on fossil fuels, while shared vehicle models promote resource efficiency and decrease the overall number of vehicles on roads. By 2030, urban planning will adapt to accommodate ACES vehicles with dedicated lanes, smart parking systems, and integrated transit hubs. Number 02. Zero latency connectivity. Connectivity is on the brink of transformation with the promise of near-zero latency networks by 2030. The combination of 6G cellular networks, Wi-Fi 6 and 7 standards, and low Earth orbit satellite constellations will deliver unprecedented speed and reliability. While zero latency is technically impossible, latency will be reduced to a level that is virtually imperceptible to users, enabling seamless real-time experiences across digital platforms. Industries ranging from telemedicine to immersive gaming will benefit significantly. Surgeons could perform remote robotic procedures with precision indistinguishable from being on site, and gamers could engage in hyper-responsive global competitions with no lag. The integration of ultra-fast connectivity with smart city infrastructure will also improve traffic flow, energy distribution, and public safety through instantaneous data transmission and decision-making. Number 01. Meta's personal superintelligence. Meta's vision of personal superintelligence promises to redefine how individuals interact with technology in daily life. Unlike traditional AI systems that primarily assist in task automation, personal superintelligence focuses on augmenting human decision-making, creativity, and productivity. The goal is to create a highly personalized digital companion that understands your habits, preferences, and goals. This type of technology could assist in planning complex projects, managing personal schedules, and even enhancing interpersonal relationships by offering real-time advice on communication and collaboration. Devices that integrate deeply with personal superintelligence, such as AR glasses or smart wearables, may become extensions of our cognitive capabilities, providing insights and context about the environment, people around us, or even social interactions. Over time, this approach could shift the focus from using technology to simply complete tasks toward using it to explore personal growth, creativity, and experiences. By empowering individuals to pursue their aspirations, this trend emphasizes agency and choice, allowing people to define what progress means for themselves. Which of these innovations are you most excited to see become reality? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. And if you enjoyed exploring the future with us, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss what's coming next.